Okay, we're going to do a quick introduction to geometry and trigonometry. We're going to go over the, this is going to be video number 1. Pythagorean theorem. I'm sure you heard of that at one time or another. If you haven't done it, that's what I'm here for. First of all, we're going to go over, this is going to be a fast learn video. So you can take this one video and go over it and practice until you finally get it. This triangle right here is a right triangle. On a right triangle, if you look on the opposite side of the right angle, you'll find a longer side of this triangle. That longer side of the right triangle is called the hypotenuse. And that is a lot of times, if you have a triangle pop up, a right triangle like this, you'll have a formula that is called the Pythagorean Theorem. Sorry, I can't speak today. I said it too many times, I think. And this is the formula for it. And it's the legs, which is here. This is a leg on this side, and a leg on this side. One leg squared plus another leg squared equals the hypotenuse side squared. And you can have x squared, c squared, it doesn't matter. Here's another picture to give me an idea of what you're looking at and what this means. We have a right triangle facing the opposite side, and from the opposite side pointing to the longer side, the hypotenuse, we can see that we can make a square on each side of the triangle. So when you're speaking of this formula, this is what you're talking about. That this side squared, this side squared, together will equal this side square. I want to share another vocabulary word with you. If you ever see the word sum usually pertains to total, always. So you're going to add total, and that's your fast learn today. Now we've been doing roots, and I have up here a quick version of the roots that we were doing. If you're not familiar with roots, I will do a variable one in more detail, but this is for quick learning, for the guys that are taking those quick classes. Anyways, right here we have the square root x. Now, you can factor this the same as you can like the other ones that we factored on videos 1, 2, and 3. But on the radical video playlist, and how you do that is when you see like a exponent on your variable inside the square, that means it's going to be 2x's, so you put x times x. That makes a pair, and if you wanted to try to take it out of the radical, since you can make a pair with it, it is x. If you don't understand that, it's okay. You can go over this and try to understand what I'm saying by replaying it, or wait until I get the other video up. Like I said, this is for quick learning. Okay, now let's put a 4 here and a 3 here for the legs of this right triangle. We have the numbers that we can fill into this formula of a right triangle, except for the hypotenuse side. So if we fill in B, which is 4 squared, plus A, which is 3 squared, it's going to equal C squared. If you've not done exponents on this quick learn, just take the number that you see and multiply it against itself as many times as it says. So that would be 3 times 3, and that would be 9, plus 4 times 4, which is 16. That, if we add those together, we get 25. And 25 is what it said equals c squared. Since we have a radical square here, we must do it on the other side in order to get the c out of the square. And as you know, the perfect square of 25 is 5. And you can factor it like this to find it. There's the pair of 5s. And then C, if you look over here at this variable, you can put C times C, because that's how many there are, and that's a perfect square. And it says C equals 5. Like I said, you might be a little confused, and if you are, that's okay. Replay the video, it's okay. Just go over it again, and I'll have better details later. This is for quick learning for people that might have just need a brush up or can pick it up pretty quickly. Good luck, guys. Please subscribe or like, and thanks for watching.